Welcome to another guided meditation. हम हर हफ्ते guided meditations करते हैं and I've seen your comments. Thank you. I'm grateful that these meditations are effective for you and they benefit you. आज की meditation में gratitude practice. So meditation एक experience है. It is not just an external event. It is not just something you do, but it is an experience in its own way. आज जो हम experience करेंगे वो हम inhale करेंगे gratitude और exhale करेंगे any resentment that we might have. Rules simple है. We will start with a straight spine. We will sit comfortably, whether you're cross-legged या अपनी chair पर बैठे हैं या आप metro में travel कर रहे हैं, whatever is easier for you and wherever you are. All we are seeking is a focus on your breath. You can gently close your eyes and start to focus on your breath. The breath is a beautiful anchor. ये हमेशा हमारे साथ है, ever present है, and ऐसी कोई भी moment नहीं होती जब हम breathing ना कर रहे हो. If you can associate the act of breathing with a sense of calmness, with the control of your mind, then you'll be able to go back to it every time you feel distracted, frustrated, anxious, or angry. Meditation एक beautiful experience है. जब आप आंखें बंद करके बैठते हैं, बहुत सारे thoughts होते हैं जो आपके मन में आएंगे. कुछ thoughts वहाँ रुकना चाहते हैं, कुछ वहाँ से जाना चाहते हैं. You don't have to resist anything. You don't have to embrace anything. All you do is just sit in that third person way, witnessing those thoughts come, go, and stay. Today, let's begin with a quick body scan. अपने सर के टॉप से शुरू करिए. From the top of your head, start to scan through your face, through your neck, your shoulders, both arms and forearms, your hands and your fingers. As you perform this body scan, I want you to have a beautiful smile on your face. And scan through your spine, your chest, and your abdomen. Scan through your hips and thighs, your knees and your calves, the bottom of your feet, and the toes. Gratitude is a feeling of being grateful, being thankful for this present moment, for this person in your life, for the food on your table, for the job that you might have, the school or the college you might go. Resentment is when you don't like something. Resentment is when you want it away and outside your life. Resentment when you want to walk away. Today, we'll take 5 deep breaths together. We will inhale gratitude and exhale resentment. हम चाहते हैं कि हमारा मन शांत हो, हम grateful हो. We want to be at peace with ourselves and enjoy this moment of gratitude that we've been given. Let's inhale together and gratitude goes in. And resentment comes out. Gratitude goes in and resentment comes out. Last breath, gratitude goes in and resentment comes out. One more. And resentment. Just stay with your thoughts for the next 60 seconds. And then we'll come back and open our eyes. Let's be full of gratitude. We've exhaled out all our resentment. You can open your eyes and come back to this room. Thank you for being here with me on this meditation. आप और वीडियोस भी चेक कर सकते हैं इस चैनल पे मेडिटेशन के लिए. And if you like these videos, share it with others so that we can help others as well. And subscribe to the channel, Ignited Neurons, on a mission to touch a billion lives positively.